Hello students. So today we are going to solve questions from exercise 4.3 from chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas. So first question we have, name the angles in the given figure. We have given a quadrilateral like figure here. The vertex of this figure is A, B, C, D. Okay. Now we have to name the angles that is in the figure. Okay. So first angle we have this, second this, third this, and fourth this. Okay. So we have first angle we have. So when we name an angle, we name it from by the line segment it is created. Okay. It is an angle A and we can call it DAB as it is formed by DA and AB and it is middle of these two lines. Okay, so angle, this is the sign of angle DAB. Okay, second we have ABC because we want this angle, so this will be angle ABC. Okay, that means we are considering this angle, so angle ABC. Okay, now third angle we have C angle. So what is the other name we can call it? We can call it BCD. Okay, so angle BCD. Okay, now third we have this angle D and we can call it CDA. Okay, and angle CDA. Okay, so these are the four angles in this figure we have. Now let's move to the question number 2. So question number 2 we have, in the given diagram, name the points. A part is in the interior of angle DOE. So first let's find out what is the angle DOE. So this is the first point D, this is O and this is E. That means this angle we are talking about. So in the interior of angle DOE. So in this angle we have this point A in the interior of this angle. So what is the answer? Answer will be point A. Okay, so in the interior of this angle, this point A is at here. Okay, now B part we have in the exterior of angle EOF. So let's find out EOF. This is point E, O and this is F. That means the question is talking about this angle. Okay, so in the exterior of EOF. So इस एंगल के एक्सटीरियर में कौन कौन से पॉइंट है हमें वो फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो फर्स्ट एक्सटीरियर, बाहर में फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज C, सेकेंड पॉइंट इज A and third point is D. Okay, because it is in the exterior of this angle. Okay, so answer is point A, D and point C. Okay, now C part we have on angle EOF. So EOF, on this angle what point we have? So on this angle we have point first E, B, O, F. So we have 4 points on this angle. Okay, these points are neither on the exterior nor on the interior side. That means we have to write those points which are on these rays. Okay, so these points are point O, point F, B and E. B and E. Okay, so this is the answer. Now question number 3 we have, draw rough diagram of two angles such that they have one point in common and B part is 2 point in common. So we need to draw a diagram of two angles. Okay, and then we need to show these conditions on the diagram. Okay, so draw two angles such that one point in common. Let's draw. So we have drawn here two angles, that is angle AOB and angle COD, and we can see here one point in common is this vertex O. Okay, this is the common point in both the angles. Now B part, we have 2 points in common. So let's draw. So we have this diagram in here. In this diagram, we have two angles, angle COB and angle AOB. Okay, and here we can see that first O point is common in both the angles, and second B point is common in both the angles. Okay, so here we have two angles with 2 points in common. Okay, now third, we have 3 points in common. So similarly, we can draw a figure like this again, and then we can show one more point, and so that we have 3 points in common in these two angles. So let's draw. Now we can see here that here we have two angles, angle AOB and angle BOC. Okay, and in these two angles we have 3 common points, and those are: one, this origin O; second, this point E; and third, this point B. Okay, now similarly we can draw for 4 points in common. Now this part, we can see that we have angle AOB and angle BOD. These are two angles, and here we can see that O, E, C and B, these are the 4 points in common in these two angles. Okay, similarly one ray in common, so we have two angles AOC and angle COB. Okay, and here we can see that this ray OC is common. Okay, so this is a common ray, and we can also write that OC, and for showing that it is a ray, we can denote it by this line. So OC is common in angles, angle AOC and angle BOC. Okay, so students, this was your exercise 4.3. Now you have to note all the questions in your notebook and solve them all. I hope the questions are clear to you all. So practice more to have a better understanding of this topic, and I will see you in next video. Till then, keep practicing and take care.